We are seeing a pattern of corrupt behavior at the level of this JLP administration, which is worse than anything the country has ever witnessed at any point in its history. PetroJam is just the latest episode. We had the FLA scandal. We had the police used car scandal. We had the 600 million bushing scandal. We had the phone bill scandal. We have had the travel scandal in the Ministry of Tourism. PetroJam is the mother of all scandals so far. It has all the ingredients of all the other scandals put together. It has nepotism, the appointment of people in the corporation simply because of connections to the ministerial ranks of the Jamaica Labour Party. And the appointment of people at pay levels in excess of what was present in all the other government corporations, at pay levels in excess of what was offered in the private sector, at pay levels in excess of what was paid to the previous managers in those positions. That one element is a scandal in itself, but there was more. It had the elements of victimization, which has become typical of the JLP government because they fired the previous human resource manager in PetroJam, fired them on Christmas Eve. And if that wasn't evidence of heartlessness, I don't know what else would be. But that matter is now before the IDT. It has the elements of the misuse and diversion and apparent theft of taxpayer resources. Because that is what was evident in the traveling of a chairman who didn't live in Jamaica to Europe, payment for a trip which wasn't taken, payments for trips not taken to other places. We have the elements also of a wall being built for tens of millions of dollars more than the estimate done by the National Works Agency for the building of that wall. It has the elements of fraud because monies were paid out on the basis of false applications, fraudulent applications, as it turned out, that were sent to the management of PetroJam from supposedly from community organizations in the constituency of the Minister of Energy.